Hey guys, I'm Tanash here. I am an e-commerce developer. All right. What I do is I develop e-commerce and normal websites as well as mobile apps for clients according to their requirements. I myself have about 5 years experience in developing websites using WordPress and WooCommerce specifically. All right. I have done websites in Malaysia, Japanese, Vietnam, Taiwanese, even African websites, also Middle Eastern Arabic language websites. What is WooCommerce? What is WordPress? And what is this course all about? Well, I'm going to give you a quick preview of it, right? WooCommerce is an e-commerce engine within WordPress. That is what you use to buy and sell things within your website, all right? A normal website can only do click ABC. But in an e-commerce website, you can, in an e-commerce WooCommerce website, you can purchase, sell many products. Now, what this course is going to teach you, first, you're going to learn how to buy a domain name and register for a hosting account. Second, you're going to learn how to create a nice looking website, all right, using templates, themes, and page builders through drag and drop methods. And then I'm going to teach you WooCommerce pre-built plugins, all right, pre-built plugins that's going to allow you to build your websites in a very easy and quick manner. Now, what about the payment gateway? Well, you can even do that instantaneously through a plugin. You don't need to hire a developer to plug and play, to do integration and all the technical mumbo jumbo. I'm going to teach you in very simple and easy language how to actually do it. Now, I think that's it. This course is also for businesses who are planning to go online with their e-shops, or people who are looking to go for upgrading their Instagram shops, or planning to move from Shopify to e-commerce, WooCommerce engine. This is the best platform for you. Thank you.